Hi guys, today we've got the 2021 Ram 1500. We did the Revel Performance links on it. I did not do the Daystar Spacers because I'm not keeping this truck very long. I actually just got this truck. I'm going to trade it in on the TRX when it gets here, which TRX looks like we're getting built this week. So hopefully we should have it in about 2 to 3 weeks when it gets transported down here. The questions we've had are, what are the heights on the Revel Performance links? We're going to show you that. We'll also show you some driving with the 35s. This is 321 gear ratio. I have a video on the 321, 392s. You want to look down in my channel if you're trying to make that decision. But anyway, we'll get to it. Just want to show you these heights, show you around the truck, show you how far the tires stick out. These are the Fuel Assault 22 by 10. And they are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers 35, 1250, 22s. So anyway, do a shoot around, and then we'll also, like I said, get those measurements for you. All right guys, we're on the front tire right now. You can see we're right under 40 inches. That's with the 35, 1250, 22 Nittos. Go to the back. We're sitting at about a little over 40 and a quarter, maybe 40 and 3/8. See them right there? In black, they're adjustable. The other ones are just standard lengths. So when I trade it in, I'll pop the standard length right back on it. You will have to remove the little plastic deals. I've got those too to put back on it when I trade it in. Right here under the fender, there's just two little rivet clips. Take those little splash guards off. All right, so this is 35-inch tires on a 2021 Limited, the 321 gear ratio. What you're seeing right there, this is before speedometer calibration. Looks like we're turning about 2100. It's in 7th gear on pretty flat land. That's why I recommend the 392 gears if you're gonna go with 35-inch tires. Speedometer shows right at 72. We'll look at our GPS speed here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says about 77 to 78. So we got about 5 miles an hour off. You can use a Hypertech speedometer calibrator to calibrate that, or you can use a Taser DT, a lot of other features on Taser, or you can use the Alpha OBD2. You got plenty of options, or you can probably even get Ram to do it for you at the dealer. Of course, you know, the faster you go incrementally, the more it's off. So at 55 miles an hour, it might only be 2 or 3 off. At 75, it's sitting there. At 72, we're close to 5 off. You get to 80, it's probably going to be close to 7 off. So a lot of times when you take them in and you have them flashed, they'll get pretty close, but depending on tire, every tire is a different size. And if you run that tire and let's just say you're running, a lot of places are calibrated at 55 miles an hour, and then you get out and you'll notice that you're still 2 to 3 miles an hour off. That's one good thing about doing it with your own programmer, is you can get it dialed in exactly. You can run that thing up to 85, and you can go within an 1/8 inch on tires and hit where it's on the money at 85 miles an hour. I actually usually set mine for a 1 mile an hour over. So if I'm showing 75, I like my speedometer to show 76. It gives me a little more leeway. Anyway, but just want to kind of show you the ratio of what it looks like. It does shift to 8 with the 321s, if it's real flat, and if you're up around 75 to 80. But you'll notice most of the time with 35-inch tires, and these are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which are close to about 70 pounds a piece. So, if you go with the Goodyear Duratrack, which is a little bit lighter tire. I have a 392 versus 321 ratio video on my channel. If you'll search for it, it actually goes in a lot more detail about what ratios are, and what your kind of, I guess, a better explanation of what your plans are with your vehicle and what's the best ratio to run with. A lot of the Eco Diesels do come with the 355, and you have the 392 option. So anyway, just wanted to bring up speed on that 2021 Ram Limited. This one does have the heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that. That one's pretty shaky.